we would need 2 pieces of the main fabric. So this I have taken as 9.5 inches by 7.5 inches. I have interfaced these with an interfacing so that they become a little stiffer. We will need the same size of the lining fabric, again 2 pieces measuring 9.5 inches across 7.5 inches. Then we would need a zipper along with a zipper pull. This measures 8 inches. Then we would need 4 small pieces of the matching fabric. This is for making the zipper tabs on the either sides of the zipper. Then I have also taken one long piece of fabric. This is measuring 14 inches by 3 inches. This we are going to use for making the hand tie. This is optional. Then I have taken a matching spool of thread. To attach the tabs to the zipper, I'm taking 2 pieces of the small fabrics that we have kept, and I'm going to put them right sides facing each other on either sides of the zipper. So this is how it is. So the zipper is kind of sandwiched between the 2 fabric pieces. Then I'm going to give a stitch over it. So after attaching the zipper and giving a top stitch, we've done this on both the sides. So this is how it looks. To make the hand tie, I'll take the longer piece of fabric, fold it into half in the center, open this center crease that I've made and bring the 2 edges towards the center, and then give a fold back onto the center. So it's something like this. And now I'm going to give a stitch on the open side as well as the closed side to make it look symmetrical. So this is how the hand tie looks after giving a stitch on both the sides. Let's begin assembling the pouch now. I'll take the lining fabric, place it the right side facing up. I'll take the zipper along with the zipper pull and place the right side facing up again. And I'll take one of the main fabrics and I'll place the wrong side facing up. So it's basically that the zipper is sandwiched between the right sides of the main fabric and the lining fabric. Then I'm going to give a stitch over this, attaching the zipper to the fabrics. So after giving a stitch, my zipper has got sandwiched between the 2 layers. Now I'll just turn it onto one side and give a top stitch on this. This is how it looks after giving a top stitch. Now to attach the other side, I'll do the same. I'll take the lining fabric, keep it right side facing up, place this fabric with the zipper again right side facing up, and then I'm going to place my main fabric on top of these 2 right side facing down and give a stitch over this. Oh, again it looks the same after giving a stitch, attaching the zipper with the 2 sides. I'll again open it, bring them to one side and give a top stitch onto this. Now I'll simply pick the pouch in such a way that the right sides or the main fabric are facing each other and the 2 inner fabrics are facing each other. Now I'm going to open it once, place the hand tie which I have folded into half on one of the sides and just pin it or clip it. So I'm going to clip it to the right sides, something like this, and fold the zipper onto one side, and I'll give a stitch across the entire 4 sides of the bag, leaving a gap of say about 3 to 4 inches on one of the sides of the inner fabric. So after giving a stitch on all the edges, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to simply turn it over. But before that, I'll cut the 4 corners so that they don't make a bulk in the corners when I turn it right side out. And I'll also cut the extra fraying edges if there are any in the back. Looks good to turn now. So let's turn it from the gap that we had left. Just point out the corners nicely. You can do that with your fingers or a poker. See how beautifully the hand tie has got attached, and look at the nice and neat way of attaching the zipper. How beautifully and neatly it has got attached. Now we are simply left with just closing this opening that we had left for turning. We can either hand stitch it or just give a stitch on the machine. So after giving a closing stitch onto the opening, this is how it is. I'll simply put the lining fabric inside the main bag, and our simple makeup pouch or a pencil pouch is ready. Nicely attached zipper tabs on both the sides, a beautifully neatly attached hand tie, and very nicely and professionally attached zipper. The beautiful pouch is ready to use.